Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that your new year is off to an amazing start. Mine sure is. I really enjoyed preparing for this year and I was so ready. At that stroke of midnight, I just felt like everything is organized and in place, and I know exactly what I'm doing for the rest of the year and when I'm doing it and how long it's going to take. I'm so excited about this new year. I really worked hard preparing for this year, as I do every year, but through the years I've just kind of tweaked my system to the point where this year it's just really in place. And I hope the same for you too. And I have a lot of things planned this year to get you to the same place. So if you're watching this video, you are probably the proud owner of a brand new iPlanner. And as usual, Apple has made some updates and GoodNotes has made some updates, and now getting your planner from your purchase and into GoodNotes has changed as well. But they're good changes. It is so much easier now than it ever was to download and import to GoodNotes without having to use a computer. You can do it all straight from your account or the email that you get from me after your purchase. And I'm going to show you how to access both of those. And then I'm going to walk you through some of the features that come in your iPlanner. All right, so what you're looking at right now is my iPad. In my inbox is the invoice that everyone receives once they've made a purchase. This is the email that you get from me from the Digitally Speaking website, and it has all your downloads in it. So I just purchased the Hadley 2020 Weekly Vertical iPlanner, and as you can see, one of the downloads is stickers, another one is covers. This is the iPlanner and it's a PDF file, and then there's also an optional palette. You can import it to GoodNotes or you can import the PDF to whatever note-taking app you're using. At the moment, the GoodNotes stickers and the GoodNotes covers only come in GoodNotes files. However, that's changing. These are also going to be available in PNG files, both of these. So before I start downloading, let me show you the alternate way of accessing your files on the website. So this is the email, and this is how to access your files on the website. Of course, you go to digitallyspeaking.net, you tap your account, and you'll sign into your account with your credentials that you created, and then all the purchases that you've made that haven't expired is what you're going to be able to see. So here at the bottom is my most recent purchase, and here you can see the Hadley palette, the iPlanner, the dashboards, and the stickers. So all of these are what I'm going to download, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to do it from the email. It works the same way either way. You press the button on the website or you press the link here in your email and it will work the same way. I'm going to go ahead and download the iPlanner first, and it takes me to my browser, and I can see a window that pops up that has download in blue letters. I'm going to tap that. And here you can see it's populating up here in my download folder, and it was a fast download. So let me go ahead and tap that, and there is the download. So I'll press the image of the file, and there's two in here because I downloaded it earlier. So let me go ahead and delete one of them so there's no confusion. Okay, so now I need to unzip this in order to import it to GoodNotes. And Apple has made it so easy to unzip on your iPad. I'm just going to tap the file and it immediately unzipped it. So now I'll tap the unzipped file and it opens up, and I want to get it to GoodNotes, so I'm going to hit the selection box up here and I'm going to scroll down to open in my GoodNotes. Now you may be using a different note-taking app. GoodNotes will not be in this list if you don't have GoodNotes on your iPad. Because I have GoodNotes installed on my iPad, that's why I have this option. But you may be using some other note-taking app, and that is what you're going to navigate to open the iPlanner. So I'm going to go ahead and tap Open in GoodNotes, and then tap Open. And I want to import as a new document. I don't want to import it into the current document that's open. And it gives me the option of where I would like to put it. I can put it in one of the folders that I've created in GoodNotes, but I'm just going to go ahead and open it in Documents, and I can move it later. And GoodNotes opened it for me. So real quick, let's navigate through the iPlanner so that you can see some of the features that come with your iPlanner purchase. I'm going to tap the read only tool, and then I'll just tap on some of the tabs here on the side. Now you can see I just tapped January. It brings me to the monthly spread, and it also flips January tab to the left. So now let's look at February and March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. If you want to go back to any of these months, you just tap on the tabs on the left. These tabs are in the back of your planner. They are customizable. That's why there's no names on them. You can label them whatever it is that you need in your planner. You may keep your finances in your planner. You may keep a journal in your planner. You may keep clients in your planner. So whatever it is that you need extra sections for, this is where you're going to find those. So when you're at your monthly layout, you can get to the weeks by tapping on the days. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the 8th, and it brings me to the week of the 8th. Now, since I'm in the weekly vertical, it brings me to the whole week. But if you purchased the daily or the daily weekly planner, there are 365 days and pages in that planner. So it will bring you to that day when you hit that day on the monthly layout. So if I want to get back to the monthly, naturally I'm going to hit January again, and now I'm back to the monthly spread. So let's tap the 13th, and that brings me to the week of the 13th. This mini calendar here in the upper left corner is also linked, and it's linked to the 2 years at a glance. All the months that are on the 2 years at a glance on the 2020 side link back to the monthly calendars. So see, you can jump back and forth very quickly. Behind all the monthly spreads, and you just simply swipe to them, is the monthly overview, and there's one for every month of the year. This is where you can keep track of the tasks that you're going to carry out for the month, things that you want to remember, goals that you have for the month. You also have another mini monthly cal here that will also take you to the 2 years at a glance. And then you have all this graph area to track, to make lists, to draw, to brainstorm, to mind map, whatever you would need this for. There's plenty of room for it. Another way to navigate the iPlanner and to see everything that's in the planner, tap on the 4 squares in the upper top left corner, and here you can see a thumbnail view, and you can scroll through all of the pages that are included in the iPlanner. If you have marked any favorites, I kind of call this the bookmarks, you'll find those under this tab, but this is the tab I want to show you. If you tap on outlines, you have in list form all the pages are named and in the index. These arrows right here, if you twirl down, you'll see what is behind the monthly cals. So there's the overview page and the weeks that follow. You can twirl that back up and go to March and do the same thing. These are all the templates that are included in your planner, and there are a lot of them. You also have blank pages, dot pages, graph, and ruled pages that can be duplicated as many times as you need, and they can be relocated anywhere in the iPlanner, and these pages are all linked as well. So you can navigate from the duplicates that you make. I try to keep my originals where they are, and I work off of copies. So whenever you need one of these templates, leave the original, duplicate it, and then relocate it wherever you need it in your iPlanner. Okay, let's go back to the email and look at what else comes with the iPlanner purchase. We've got the GoodNotes stickers. So let me go ahead and tap that, and now the download window appears just like it did with the iPlanner. I'm tapping download. I can see it populating, and if I remember correctly, this one takes a little bit longer than the planner. Okay, now I'm going to tap on my down arrow and tap the zipped image, and here I can see this is my GoodNotes stickers file. Just like I did with the iPlanner, I'm going to tap it. It unzipped it. I'm going to tap the unzipped file, and this is telling me what file it is, and I'm going to go ahead and get it into my GoodNotes. So I just tap on the square and I scroll down, open in GoodNotes, tap open. And again, I have the option to put it in the current document, which will be the planner that I have open, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to import as a new document into my documents. And these are all the stickers that come with the iPlanner. Because I have purchased the Hadley, you're looking at the Hadley stickers. There's also a set of stickers that match the Reese and the Mason and the Mia. To use your stickers, I like to zoom in so I can work close and just look at how crystal clear these stickers are. Let me choose the vitamin sticker to bring over to my iPlanner. I'm going to turn off the read only so that I can access my tools, and I'm going to tap the lasso, and this may be different in the app that you're using if you're not using GoodNotes. I'm in GoodNotes 5 right now, and that's the app that I'm using. I'm going to go ahead, now that I've got the lasso tool activated, I'll lasso this vitamin sticker and copy it and go to my planner and paste it in my week. And I've already sized these to fit nicely inside your planner, but you can resize them again if you want to. Let's go get another one and paste it in, and it fits perfectly in that spot. All right, let's go and look at what else comes with your iPlanner package. These are the GoodNotes covers and dashboards. Let's take a look at those. I'm going to tap download just like I did with the stickers and the iPlanner. I can see it populating. It's ready, and here's the file. Tap it, unzip, tap again. I want to get it into GoodNotes, so tap on the square, scroll to GoodNotes, open, and I want to import as a new document, same as the others, and I'll put it in my documents. And it opens it up for me. Now these dashboards are stacked because I've sized them perfectly for the iPlanner. And the reason that I sized the dashboards is because sometimes the spiral can be a little tricky, so I've done the work for you. The covers are a little bit easier, so I left those smaller in order for them to fit on this cover sheet as well. You can also use the spiral for covers as well. I like to use them for dashboards in my tab section. So let's put one of these dashboards inside the iPlanner. I'm going to scroll really close because you can only grab the corners to get just one. If you make your lasso too big, you're going to grab more than one cover. So I just want the corner. See, I'll get this green one. And you see how it just selected that one dashboard. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to my iPlanner and turn on the Read Only tool to navigate to the first tab. Now this is a blank page, but it's not going to stay that way because I am adding a dashboard. And see how perfect that fits right over the spiral. So let's go back and get one of the covers and let me show you how that works. I'm going to activate the lasso, just grab the corner of my cover, copy, and I'm going to hit the 4 squares to navigate to my cover very quickly. Here's my cover. I'm going to paste, resize, and these are proportioned for the iPlanner. So if you get the width right, you will have the height right. And I like the cover to just overlap slightly so it looks more realistic as the cover for my iPlanner. And when you go to your thumbnails, you can see that this is unmistakably the planner that I just put the cover on. One other thing I want to point out is I have given you 5 cover pages. So you can put all your covers and rotate them out throughout the year. To do that, you'll go to your thumbnails and you'll tap and hold on one of the covers. And I haven't decorated this one, but we'll just pretend. And you just drag and drop it to the first position. Whichever cover is in the first position is the cover that's going to show as your thumbnail. All right, we have one more file to look at, and that's the optional palettes. I've included this with all the planners, and I do with the collections as well, so that you can customize your ink to match your iPlanner. For this, I'm going to tap the PDF because we already know how to get a GoodNotes file into GoodNotes. So let's tap the PDF and I get my download window. Tap the download, and that was a very fast download. And I'm going to tap the file, and here it is at the bottom. I'll unzip it, open it, tap on the palette, and now I want to get it into GoodNotes. I like to keep it in GoodNotes. And as you can see, the palette has plenty of spaces to create your own colors and hex codes, and you can just document them right here. All right, I'm going to tap on my square to navigate to open in GoodNotes. By now, you're probably getting the hang of this. I'm going to go ahead and import as a new document, and I'll import it to my documents because I can move this later. And there you go. This is the Hadley Mia color palette, and this is how you get all the files downloaded from your purchase and into your note-taking app. Wasn't that easy? If you've been using the iPlanner for several years, you know it's not always been that easy. So I'm just thrilled that it's so easy now. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope you all have an amazing year. I'm going to be posting some more videos this year, and I'm going to be on the Facebook group talking to you guys all year long, and this is going to be an amazing year. Until the next video, everyone, happy iPlanning. Bye.